Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken noodle soup with cream of chicken. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, 110. 5-ounce can of cream of chicken soup, 4 cups of chicken broth, and 2 cups of egg noodles. Don't forget 1 cup of your favorite chopped vegetables, such as carrots and celery, to add flavor and texture to your delicious soup. Now, let's get cooking. In a large pot, sauté your chopped carrots and celery over medium heat for about 5 minutes until they start to soften. Next, add your 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken to the pot. Give everything a good stir to combine the flavors. This step builds the aromatic base for your comforting chicken noodle soup. It's time to bring everything together. Pour in the entire 5-ounce can of cream of chicken soup, followed by 4 cups of chicken broth. Stir well to ensure the soup is fully incorporated. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Add your 2 cups of egg noodles and let it simmer for about 10 minutes or until the noodles are tender. Finally, let's perfect the flavor. Taste your soup and season it with salt and black pepper as needed. You might also consider a pinch of dried thyme or a bay leaf for extra depth. For a fresh touch, garnish each serving with some chopped fresh parsley or dill. Serve your warm, comforting chicken noodle soup immediately and enjoy your delicious homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.